The game is finally over. Everything wey dem don dey plan on top of Reji head, e don finally come to reality, and everybody can now see very very clear, including the Reji friend wey be Tiny Ann. Una remember say inside last week na im Ann bring out updates saying that Ipa dey ask her out and that he will do everything humanly possible, that he is not coming to her because of say he wan date her. He is coming to marry her, and he promise to do everything humanly possible to make her happy and to do his best for her, putting a smile on her face. Say he no go do the same thing wey he do to her friend. Say her friend is not considerate, her friend is not straightforward, and that is why they did not last. But in her own case, he has seen it that she's not only but a friend, but she is very considerate, she is caring, she is loving, due to the way she take come into their case. Anytime wey dem get misunderstanding, the way she dey take approach am, the way she dey take talk to am calmly, the way she dey take do her things, that he is so inspired and he loves everything put together, that it will really make sense to him if he marry her in replacement of her friend Regina Daniel. Now, no be this form of betrayal wey im dey do now na im be the koko o. Na the one wey family member, you know say wetin that adage wey dem dey talk say if outsider do you something, dey turn their back on you, the pain no dey reach like if the betrayal dey come from inside, meaning your family member or somebody very very close. E dey get as that thing dey pain reach. Now, people bin come dey ask say wetin give Ipada ododo to even say e wan come dey ask Tiny Ann out. The same Ann wey im talk say she dey take ukpumili, she don enter higher version, sotey na she dey supply things and things for Regina. Na the same Tiny Ann now na you come say you like her attitude, you like the way she do her thing, you like the way she come in settling you people, so she will be a good wife for you. Of all the women for this life, wey be say as Regina comot, Cutie Juice bin come out come expose one Ada wey dey go university of where wey dey say Ipa dey carry. So that one now no work, as e be say the family see how im take do with Reji. The family come say no, say they are not ready for their daughter to get married. He will give her some time for her to finish school and so on and so forth. Whether na that one na im discourage her make her no go back there again, na only God na im know. Now, of all the women in this world, of all the plenty legs so far wey dey waka for this life, you no see person wey you go look say you wan marry, say you are not coming to date, except Regina best friend. Person wey be say e buy car carry dash im best friend, na you come see now say na she go good because of say you wan pepper the Regina Daniel. Now no be this one sef na im be the main koko o. Oh, make una draw una chair come closer, make una come hear matter. Before I go cap una the koko of the kokolin, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Let me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, una remember when Reji and her brother Swizzy they start their drama after Reji comot for husband house? He was there supporting, he was there revealing a lot of secrets, he was there bringing out voice record of where im talk to Ipa say, you dey beat your wife my sister, wey Ipa talk say na im wife, im go slap am, e go slap am, e go slap am, na im wife, anything wey e like e go do to dem. Nobody go come tell am how to behave or how to do with im property, thinking that this boy is with his sister. And due to say the sister too wey be the Regina, the love she have for her family no be here own, she dey use as a sacrificial lamb for the family. So she no dey use them dey play, thinking that he was saying all those things to favour her, knowing fully well that na Ipa na im send am go obodo oyibo, thinking that as dem don send am go, and so in as well say the man dey maltreat the girl and the girl don cry out say im go stand with im sister. But last last this guy later go dey side outsider, turn im back on im sister. Una hear all the drama wey happen that time, make e no be like say we dey do tautology, how Regina Daniel take go there, how the money wey she save for im hand she wan use am take do one or two money, dem say dem put am for which bet be that, dem use am put am for money wey go return money, extra money. At the end of the day she wan use money do something, she no come fit still use am, wey she come provocate say she need her money, so tey the girlfriend of the brother come dey talk say they say they use the money no mean say the money don loss, they just put am for a place where the thing forex, dem put am for forex make the thing come generate more money, make dem come release the money last last, then they go now pay her. She should be patient, they no know say matter go burst wey she go comot for husband house like this. See na wetin they dey do, they take her to their source of income be that, say it has been paying them and nobody has complained, so the money too plenty wey they go just drop like that, so they decide to put am for forex make she calm down, they go pay. Na so Reggie take provocate, instead of him to apologize because he really wrong her. Imagine I carry money give you, if na outsider now it's a different thing, but this one na insider, your own blood brother, na him come turn him back on you like this. You dey talk, the wife dey talk, na him dey say at an hour wey people no even believe, na him Reggie take comot for im brother house, allegedly according to the story, say she use knife comot for the brother house out of anger and pain, say this one, you wey I lay my life for, you wey I because of una go marry old man, you wey I God, the thing really pain Regina come comot from im place come go America, where she kuku go finally go do her medical test. So when she was there she be no intent to come back as soon as possible, but because of say the brother man wey she go there to do one or two with am and so on, with the kind money she be don pack give am, e no get anything to record to her, so she need to come back come attend to so many things to take get money and engage herself back, and she has got lot of things awaiting her already, so she no wan take any chances or lapses at all. So when she finally return back, guess wetin this guy come do? They say na him come go dey ginger Ipa, say in order to get Reggie back, make him enter her friend. By the time wey she see say the friend now dem dey together with Ipa, she will now be disappointed, she will now be pained, maybe she will start a quarrel with the friend that you betray me, you go carry my husband, man wey be say we already know what's up, this one that one now go pain her, e go make her come dey look for the Ipa, and so on and so forth. Now as if that was not enough, after pushing Ipa say make Ipa go dey totori the girl, e still went ahead to use im email, another person as im email wey be say im register but no be im name Swizzy dey for the email, e use another name but open come go send message to this very small tiny Ann. As he send the message saying that I was the one that recommended Ipa to you, he's a good person, he has been good, just that sometimes life, this one that one, he write thank you, write very much, send for the guy. Because who be this person wey go come send her this kind email, and for the person to be recommending Ipa, meaning say this person really know what's up. Ipa carry the person along because she has never discussed this matter with somebody close wey go back go tell Ipa or something. So how come he is aware, he knows everything like this? Say no, they must chook eye put inside this matter. Na there wey dem dey chook eye put, na she come carry am go give all these gurus wey be say dem dey good at checking emails to know who really send the email. Una get? Now dem come go check email because the name wey dey there and to track am, e dey very very easy because she no really understand. When they track this thing, they come find out say na Reji brother Swizzy wey dey for obodo oyibo, na him come dey use in other emails take dey send her message saying that na him recommend the Ipa, na him recommend her to Ipa, say make she give am chance, and just that sometimes once in a while things happen, but he is a good person. So na your own sister now, na him come be bad person. Na him dey say Anne open mouth down say, hey Swizzy, na you do this one. No wonder even when she dey talk to Regina say make Regina forgive and forget when im do birthday, say make Regina post am for im birthday, Regina refuse. She say she is not going to do that. Reasons best known to her, she don't even want to talk about him again. So we dey see say omo na joke, na joke. No be joke o. The way they stop to dey comment for each other posts, they stop to dey post each other, they stop to dey do a lot with each other, shows that something is definitely wrong somewhere. And even the mother no fit even separate them. Imagine the kind of, she no fit even separate them, meaning say that guy he really overdo. So last when she come find out, say she first open mouth down say, Swizzy, na you do this one. Na wow. So when Ipa come call her to come ask her say how far, she say she go think about it. She never come up with any idea, anything at all. Wetin dey sup? Na im dey say she tell Ipa say direct that I know it is Swizzy that is pushing you to my end because you people want to do payback to Reji. But guess what? Anything at all, I am game. I dey for this una game. Make una no push me, make I no tell Regina everything. Make una no push me because I don't even want to bring her into this whole drama. But the way I'm seeing it, I'll have to bring her. Let her know the kind of people that she have around her. Let her know the kind of brother that she also have, who is going against all odd to support the opposition. Person wey be say e no like your sister, e dey try all the possible best to bring her down. You dey go dey support her all in the name of money. What you stand to gain? Abi say she go tell Reji if he no stop to dey disturb her. Na him dey say Ipa talk am practically. He say he will even like it if she tell Reji. But who told her that it is Swizzy that is in charge? He no know that one o. But if she like, make she tell Regina say in dey come totori her. Say he don't mind, that him is not coming to play with her emotion or whatever. He's coming to marry her. You know, say if you don't talk about marriage like this, for person we don't advance more, you don't finish. To betray no go come hard. Now they say lie oh. That one stand gidigba say no, she no gree oh, she no go do any drama, and that she's going to tell Reji. Hold and behold, na so they take expose Ipa, expose his secret, him and Regina Daniel brother. Tell me wetin this guy go gain if him betray him own sister all because of Ipa? Wetin him go gain if him own sister go down instead of as in if she go down because of Ipa? Wetin him go gain if she's being humiliated and being disgraced the way they intend to do to her by giving her a hashtag, carry hashtag put for her body say she be druggy person? If to say God no save her, so if for happy to work for Ipa instead of working against everything put together. No now, if we wan talk, make we dey talk truth. Say this guy he really don F up big time. May God no let us get this kind brother for life oh, because omo e no go really make sense how you decide to sell her out as if that was not enough. You dey see say dem wan kpai her like this, so you still dey stand say e dey okay, e dey okay, e dey okay. What is okay? Omo na so Anne say she go report to Reji. Ipa say make she go ahead report for you to know say this one im own don finish finally. Na manage dey just dey manage am, im own don finally finish. My pipu na the matter be dis o. I say make una come help me ask o, wetin dey really dey worry Swizzy and why would he do dis? All because of say e wan please Ipa. How much dem give am wey no go ever finish wey im go take betray im own sister? My pipu, things really dey happen o. May God deliver us, no give us family like Reji and Ipa. E get why. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist, and dey bring good and latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.